Hello everyone. So today we have with us Mr. Parthiv Tyagarajan, who is the CEO and founder of Wedding Sutra. And we're going to ask him, how is your experience being here at EMF Global 2024?
Thank you very much. I've attended almost all the EMFs, except for one, and it's always a pleasure being here. The energy, the enthusiasm. I remember meeting Dr. Jaideep Mehta. I've known him for many years. I remember meeting him when he was just taking EMF International, and it was the first EMF to go abroad. And I remember him talking with so much passion about this dream, and it was the early stages. It was probably the second or the third year of EMF. Since then, it's so heartening to see how they've come a long, long way.
Absolutely. We all can see that we are doing 11th edition in Abu Dhabi. Oh my God. Look at the grandeur here. It's amazing.
Absolutely.
So you are, I think, one of the first digital platforms who started writing about weddings, right?
Absolutely.
So,
it's been some journey from the time when people did not understand what is the wedding industry. Imagine 24 years before writing about weddings. And nobody knew anything of a concept of wedding planner. Of course, the event industry had just started growing then. Obviously, the event industry is much, much older than the wedding industry, but both have carved their own special niche as one among the 5 of the largest industries in India, because we all know how special the wedding industry is to India and how much interest everybody abroad, everybody who lives outside India takes interest in this industry.
You know, India has witnessed one of the biggest wedding of this year, decade, era. And
Century.
Century. So what are your thoughts around that?
I think it's good news for the wedding industry because for the first time, so many netizens have gone up close into what is a billionaire family wedding. Never before have netizens seen such a big celebration. I wonder how any movie maker will now have a wedding scene.
Oh my God.
Nothing will come even close to this, right?
Absolutely.
Because we all know how much we'd look forward to seeing the wedding scenes.
Right.
It all started with Hum Aapke Hai Kaun.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't think you were born then, but still.
No, but I've watched
I'm sure
it.
you should watch the movie.
Yeah, it's one of the classics. Absolutely.
Yes.
Hum aapke hain kaun.
How this industry will grow. And as I keep saying, a lot of couples relate with a big fat wedding, but post-COVID, we've also seen the rise of the intimate wedding. So the big fat and the slim and smart wedding will both coexist.
And which one is your favorite?
I enjoy attending at-home weddings
I like
because that is truly a personalized celebration. Imagine going to a home which has been transformed.
Wow.
Because we all visit beautiful ballrooms,
Right.
not just for weddings but for work.
Right.
But when you visit a home,
Wow.
whether it is a farmhouse or it's a beautiful apartment or a little bungalow, and the elements make it the Shadi Ka Ghar. That is what makes it truly
Shadi
special.
Ka Ghar.
Shadi Ka Ghar.
Wow, you know, as you were saying that, you know, just imagine that how home transformed into a wedding venue. This is visually so calming and so enriching in itself. So we are going to start with our this or that segment. So indoor event or outdoor event?
Outdoor.
Live band or DJ?
Live band.
Formal attire or casual attire?
Indian.
Arey wow, lovely. Themed party or classic elegance?
Classic elegance.
Summer event or winter event?
Winter.
Large guest list or intimate gathering?
Intimate.
Oh wow, thank you so much. It was lovely speaking to you, sir. And thank you once again.
My pleasure.